What's up everybody, Piggy Garden is now live. This is going to be a update video of the ecosystem of Piggy Bank Machine, Piggy Bank Garden, as well as showing you guys how to get in on this and how it all works. Again, reference code is going to be in the description below. You do not have to use it to get into this project. You can just use it if you want to get in on this project and also support the channel as well, because I do get a kickback from the protocol for that. So let's get into it. So before we get started, again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just me documenting my road to financial freedom and the bumps and bruises along the way. Please do your own research. Do not invest money that you do not want to lose. All right, so Piggy Bank Garden is live, and let me show you how this all works with a Piggy Bank Machine. So this is Piggy Bank Machine. It's currently at $1.05. Awesome. I got in at, I want to say 33 cents or something like that. Okay, so I have my 100 BUSD in this. I get about 4 tokens per day from minting piggies, and I think 18 tokens per day from stake piggies. My math may be off, but that's the APR right here is 2,190% per year. I want to say that's 6%. So 6% of 300 is 18. So yeah, I think yeah, that's right. 18, yeah, about 21 tokens total from this per day. So I can either cash that out into BUSD at $1.05, or I can exchange it here. They added this extra piece right here that lets you exchange piggies, your Piggy Bank tokens, to TPG. That is the Piggy Garden coin. Currently it's at 60 per one piggy. When this first dropped, it was at 200 per one piggy, and I wanted to make a video of it, but they go so fast. There's no way I can just put out the information. Maybe Twitter. Yeah, follow my Twitter. Link is going to be in the description, so that way you guys can see when I post things. Like, I'll post things about this, so that way you guys can jump in if you want to get some TPG off of your piggies. So this is a way to take the sell pressure off of the Piggy Bank Machine, because usually what happens at $2, and this has happened with BUSD Machine, is $2 the bots and the people sell incredibly quick, lowering liquidity. What they did was they added the Piggy Bank Garden in order to also take sell pressure off of BUSD Machine, so that way you can just take your piggies and exchange them for TPG, and then come over here to the garden. Look at that little piggy run. Come over here to the garden and then throw them in here to raise more piggies. As you raise piggies, they also bring you TPG, that is bacon, more TPG. Oh, also, if you're looking at like how high my wallet is, I got in on a pre-sale. So the pre-sale happened, let me see, I was able to get in like within that small little time frame when I tried to do the whitelist giveaway on my Twitter for the Piggy Bank Garden. I only had like 2 hours, so I submitted my wallet, additional wallet, and I tried to see if anybody else could submit their wallet within that time frame, and nobody did. It only happened, everyone tried to respond to the tweet like after the giveaway was done. I only had 2 hours to do it. So again, please make sure that you are staying on top of following my Twitter and getting the bell notification, so that way you guys can see exactly when I tweet and be able to respond to these things if you want to get in. So when I got in, it was 0.5 BNB in order to get, I want to say 125,000 TPG, or maybe 150,000. I don't remember the exact number, but I got in with, I want to say 0.42 or 0.43 BNB, and was able to get a pretty sized bag of TPG. Now, what we know with Fisherman Joe reached $28, $29 at his highest point. So keeping all this TPG, you know, and hopefully if this, you know, isn't rugged, or, you know, liquidity doesn't leave or something like that, then this would be a nice size payout. Yeah, that's how much I got in at. I will be doing some kind of giveaway pretty soon. I did not forget, I still have the 100 BUSD giveaway for one of the viewers. I think I already know who I have in mind. It was from a comment that I saw a while ago, and I do want to reward those who are, you know, kind, helpful, and attentive in the comment section. So the way you would come in here and get in on this is you can go to pancakeswap, you can go to TPG, and you can buy it with BUSD or BNB, and then you can come back to the Piggy Garden and use the TPG to buy piggies. Or if you have a Piggy Bank Machine, you can take your winnings and then exchange them here. I would suggest this, like if you have it, then you can get even more with your piggies instead of going to the marketplace and getting a few piggies there. Well, hold on, let's see the exchange rates. $1 gives us 42 TPG. When or if they ever put more piggies into this pot, then you'll get 60 or 50 TPG. So you guys have to keep track of which one is the better deal, either buying them on pancakeswap or exchanging them here. So after you exchange or buy, you would come here, type in the number of TPG you have, and then hit raise piggies. Once you hit raise piggies, this number will go up here. I thought that it was gonna add more pigs to this arena, this pin, or at least make them grow in size. So I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna interject this here. It's a small little update. So before, you may have saw a bunch of zeros and then like a 0.0000, like 9 zeros or something like that of bacon that I was getting. That was a user interface error. And all we had to do was clear the cache of the website, and that should fix that issue if you're actually having that issue. And you can see now I have a lot more piggies on screen, and my big mama piggy here, that is like my prize pig. And to clear the cache, all you have to do is hit Control Shift. So you hold down Control, you hold down Shift, and then you hit R. That will clear the cache for this particular website, or for one website, not your entire internet browser history or any other stuff. So Control Shift R, and you'll be able to refresh with everything coming back, and that should fix the bacon wallet issue. And I will put the contract address in the description as well. So you can see here TPG WBNB, TPG WBNB, TGP WBNB, and they're all different. The one you want to look for is this one right here. The last numbers in the contract is number 2 BE0, and that is currently at 1,000% up. I'm gonna favorite that. There it is. All right, so you can see here what it's currently doing. It's amazing. I really do expect this to hit $1 really soon. If not, I'd probably say as far as maybe next week, we can be at $2 or $3. All right, so I pulled up Fisherman Joe because they pretty much imitate each other. Fisherman Joe and the Piggy Bank Garden. The Piggy Bank Garden is basically a fork of Fisherman Joe. But unlike Fisherman Joe, the Piggy Bank Garden is tied to the Piggy Bank Machine as well, giving it more of a use case. And the creator of the Piggy Bank Garden did say that once the game goes on, they're going to see if they can add even more, not utility to it, but even more of another ecosystem. So that way there'll be another use case for TPG as well, other than just selling it. So if we look at what Fisherman Joe did, we can kind of guess at what the Piggy Garden is going to do as well. So this started out at around, let me see here, let me go in as far as I can. Yeah, I think we're going to see the exact same kind of lift off here. This started at 4 cents. Yeah, about 3 or 4 cents. I don't think I can put my mouse directly on it. Yeah. Okay, 5 cents. So at 5 cents, this thing just kind of lifted off. And let me see, let's look at the day. 14 January 2022, 15th. Still on the 15th. This is literally a day later. 15th, 16th. Okay. 16th. So from 5 to 8 cents. Yeah, 5 to about 8 or 9 cents in one day. And then, let me see here. Still on one day is $1.47. And then, of course, you can see a massive profit taking in increments downwards. And this may be buybacks. Like, I feel like that's either buybacks from the protocol or that is just more people getting in, seeing a dip. Not entirely sure about that. I can't know for sure because they haven't stated if they do buybacks or not. They kind of keep that stuff hush hush because they don't want market manipulation. So then the next day, this is a day later, everything is kind of trading, not, I wouldn't say sideways, but it's being as, stable as possible. That's what makes me think that these are buybacks instead, because just the amount that each one gives, each dip is giving, it seems more like the protocol protecting itself using the taxes from the buybacks. Then let's go see here. 18th, it hits $11. So the 15th to the 18th, 3 days, it hits $11. And that is kind of the high until we get to this, which is 28 bucks. I want to say this is the absolute highest it's been. Oh no, there it is right there, 28.8. And that's right over here. Yeah. And then it just kind of plateaus, stays there, and then just drops off. Hits another high again. This was around the time of the announcement saying that they were going to add the garden system where they have like liquidity pools and such. And I don't know if they ever released it, but yeah, that it kind of took off again multiple times and then died back down. Okay, so we're just looking to see what it could do. Not what it will do. We don't know what it will do. Again, the marketplace, just like the stock market, it's ever changing. We can read graphs all day, every day. That doesn't mean that we can predict what's going to happen. It may never hit $28, or it may go like far past $28. It may just hit $3 and fizzle out. We don't know. We just have to wait and see. It's risk tolerance. Are you willing to risk your money for a possible bigger payout? That's really what the name of the game is right now. So let's go back. So you raise your piggies, they produce bacon, which is TPG, and then you can sell TPG on the open market on pancakeswap. That's where you would cash out. And me personally, I'm going to cash out in BUSD, not BNB, because BUSD is a stable coin. So if you want to get in on this, make sure that you hit approve first, so that way you don't get a weird error saying that you owe like 0.7 or something like that in gas fees. So you want to hit continue, or I'm sorry, confirm, and it should be like 9, I want to say 8 to 13 cents depending on what gas prices are today. Once you hit approve, then you'll be able to start staking your TPG. You will just type in the amount of TPG you want here, hit raise piggies, or you can just hit max and you'll see your piggies here in this little piggy pen. And then just start collecting your TPG per day, and then that's it. Also, I do implore you to join their Telegram group, look at their Telegram announcements, because the community is really active. The developers are really active in telling everybody what's going on with the protocol, the system, bots, all kind of stuff. Also, if you want to get a little bit more information than what you have here, please read the white paper and read the FAQs. I can't do the research for you. All I can do is talk about what I have learned, what I am currently doing. The research, the minute details, it's up to you. Please put a little skin in the game if you want to invest in this stuff. Make sure that you are doing your own due diligence as well. So before I get out of here, again, remember, reference code in the description below. My Twitter is also in the description below. Please follow that Twitter, hit that bell on Twitter, so that way you guys can get notified when I release more of these giveaways and these whitelist spots. I will be doing one really soon, either today. Well, no, it's going to be later on today. So look out for that. That's going to be another project. It's an NFT game that I'm also going to be getting into as well. And I will have free whitelist spots for that for the viewers. If this video has given you any kind of value, please consider subscribing. We are past 500 subs right now, moving on to 600. Thank you so much for all your love, support, the comments. It really helps me out so much. I really do appreciate it. And again, until all are free, I hope you guys take care and peace out.